to my last question is, Andre, anyone can answer. How do you feel that you're not just part of Philippine entertainment, but you're part of Philippine pop culture in general? I mean, whenever we heard Viva Hot Babes, it's you girls. I mean, mula elementary, high school, college, kayo yon.
Parang mas lalo akong tumatanda. Hindi. Siyempre nakakatuwa kasi nga, you know, we can't help but reflect on all those years and yung naabot namin as a group. We still see our songs sa mga karaoke bars, sa mga probinsya, you know, tinutugtog pa rin pag isang pagbibisita ako sa isang probinsya, patutugtugin, para lang marinig namin. So nakakatuwa. And the fact that Viva's giving us this opportunity to somehow put that stamp of, you know, parang to show yung, katulad nga nasabi mo na Hot Babe has
Seal it.
to seal
Seal the name.
the deal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yun. So we're just very happy that we're backed up by our company. As a matter of fact, some of them dapat may movie pa. You know, medyo napadami lang ng ginagawa, but may mga plans na gano'n. So talagang full force ang Viva sa group namin. So we're very, very happy.
Thank you so much, girls, and congratulations in advance. We're looking forward to the reunion concert. Thank you.